Hello everyone, my name is Manan Tank. Currently, I am pursuing my final year of Bachelor's of Technology in the field of mobile application and cloud technology from Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University. Recently, I have completed my internship as an Android developer at India Tech Soft. So, in this video, I will talk about Android application which I have worked on at India Tech Soft. So, I have developed one properties or we can say real estate module of an classified Android application. So now let's take a look at this module. During this internship, I was working as an Android application developer. Here are some details about the company. This is my offer letter. This classified application provides many different services like real estate, movers and packers, automobile, furniture, entertainment, professional clothing, etc. I was working on a real estate or a property module. So in this module, you can create the ad for selling, renting, or purchasing your property like flat, house, land, plots, etc. This existing system is very time consuming. You need to hire an agent for looking for the property, and you after choosing a right property you need to pay some percent to an agent, so it leads you to cost and waste of your valuable time. So this is the operating environment used for developing this Android application. Technology used for developing this application is Android Studio as a IDE software for developing Android applications, XML as a front end for designing UI part, Java as a programming language, and Firebase as a backend database part. So this is a blueprint. Uh, as you see in a screenshot, first you need to register and log in using your valid email ID, and you will be shown different type modules. And once you click on real estate, you will be shown different types of advertise posted by the user. You can also post your advertise by filling the details. So due to confidentiality by the company, I am not showing the actual application, but I will show you a glimpse of login and ad creation part in separate application. Now let's look into. I have installed APK on my mobile. Now let's run the application. You need to register in order to log in. Click on register. Now try to log in. So toast message is showing email is not verified, check your inbox. So in order to verify your email, you need to go to mail ID and click on the link. So your email has been verified. Now you can log in using application. So you are authenticated with your mail ID. Now click on post in order to posting any ad. So let's click, give a house as a title. So 2 BHK, price 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Click on post. A toast message will be showed when your post is posted 100%. So your post is posted. Now you can see your post on a explore tab. So your post is visible to the users. Now let's see a Firebase backend part of this application. So this is Android Studio. Our application is running on Android Studio. This is Firebase, which is a database by Google. You can see we have posted one advertise with city Goa and title house. So this ad is posted here with a real-time database. Authentication is also done by the Firebase. You can see my mail ID which is created with real-time data. So our image is also stored on a storage. So this is a house image which is stored in storage, Firebase storage. as you have seen a glimpse of my application. So it will surely benefit the users by saving their cost and time. So it was all about my work at India TechSoft. Hope you guys like it, and thank you for giving it a watch.